How to make video with picture and music in Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this funny tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to make video with picture and music in Snapchat. So for that case, you just have to go ahead and open up your Snapchat application and then log in into your account. When you're logged into your account, and then you just go ahead and take a normal snap. So when you've actually taken a normal snap, what next you have to do is tap the sticker icon from the top right hand side. And when you actually go ahead and press on it, you should be able to find this option as multiple photo adder. Go ahead and press on it, and then you'll be able to access all of these. Now select the photo that you wish to add. Now once again, go ahead and adjust the photo, and then click the sticker icon. Do this procedure until you see a lot of photo, or until you're satisfied with adding a photo. And when you're done with that procedure, or when you're done adding a photo, then click the music icon. Go ahead and add music. Let's see, this is the one. What you have to do is you just have to tap the tick icon located right at the bottom, and then click on send to, and then you can send it to your friends, family, or whatever. If you're unable to find this feature, then you can update your application and you should be able to get the feature. So that is how you can make video with picture and music in Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.